Hello, Standard 7. Your Arun sir going to teach one very important and very easy chapter of data handling, DH2, and the name of the chapter is probability. Do you know what is probability? In Hindi, it is called as sambhavana. Okay, sambhavana. Estimation. Means whether an event will occur or not. For example, will it rain today? क्या आज बारिश होगी या बारिश की संभावना कितनी है? In mobile also, in weather report, the probability is given. There the probability is given in percentage. Suppose if I am asking you whether it will rain today and the result is 40%, means less than half that it may rain. Or if I am writing 100%, it means surely it will rain. So what is probability? We have understood, dear children. As I have told you that I teach the most easy chapter in mathematics, and this probability is one of the most easy chapter in mathematics. Now here certain terms are there and we have to discuss those terms. Probability we have understood, it means estimation, sambhavana, whether anything will occur or not occur. Chance, probability of something happening, that is chance. Two more terms we have to discuss here, and that is experiment and event. Experiment and other is event. Now, an action which yields some outcome, an action which yields some outcome, okay, is called experiment. Outcome means result. Any action which has got result, that is called as experiment. And event is any set of possible outcomes. Try to understand it. Experiment is an action which yields some outcome, some result. And event, any set of possible outcome. Very simple example I am giving you. You are tossing a coin. Okay. You must have tossed while playing, tossing a coin. What is that? Tossing a coin is experiment. Very clear or not? Tossing a coin is what? Experiment. And event means any set of possible outcome. When you will toss a coin, either head will be there or tail will be there. Or other than that, either head or tail. So, head or tail are what? Event. Any set of possible outcome. Possible outcome. Not 100% sure, but these are the possible outcome. That when we will toss a coin, that is action, okay, or experiment. Tossing a coin is what? Experiment. And the result, either head or tail, is that what? Is event. So we have understood about the experiment, we have understood about the event, we have understood what is probability, and one is random experiment. Random experiment means not thinking at any time, randomly. If any of the, सोच करके नहीं कि अभी हमको सिक्का उछालना, ये सिक्का निकाले उछाल दिए, that is random experiment. Now let us see what things are there. And one formula is there, very easy formula, and all the questions are related to that formula only. What is that formula? Probability of getting an event, or probability of event is equal to number of outcomes. Number of outcomes means result by total number of experiment. Total number of experiments. Only all the questions are based on this formula. And one more thing I will like to say, that this probability can't be more than 1. 100% से ऊपर संभावना नहीं हो सकता है ना. It may be less than 1, but it can't be more than 1. Very clear? And when you will go to higher class, in this probability, you will learn in detail about the playing card. ताश देखा है, खेला है. I am talking about that playing card. In detail, your teacher will teach about the playing card and the names Badshah, Begum, Gulam, Kala Pan, Lal Pan. You will read, you will study in higher class. Okay. So very interesting and very easy topic, very easy chapter. Only one formula is there. Probability of event is equal to number of outcome and by the total number of experiment. Now one example let me say. Same with the coin. If you are tossing a coin, what is the probability of coming head? Head आने की संभावना कितनी है? So probability, number of outcome in a coin, how many heads are there? Only one. And total number of experiment, either it will be head or tail. So 1 by 2, and that is the answer. Very clear or not? See what easy the probability is. Now some examples we will solve and I will come to the exercise. A coin is tossed 200 times. Coin is tossed 200 times. Very clear? The head comes 117 times. Tail 83 times. Now, what is the probability? Probability of getting head and probability of getting tail. This is the question. Try to understand the question. A coin is tossed 200 times. 117 times came head and 83 times tail. Our question is, what is the probability of getting head? Now, probability of an event, probability of, write the formula, probability of event is equal to number of event, number of outcomes by total number of experiment, total number of experiments. Now listen, number of outcome, how many head are came? 117. And what is the total? Total is 200. So 117 by 200 is the answer, that is probability of coming head. Second will be what? 83 by 200. So easy the probability is. Understood or not? If I am asking you what is the probability of coming head, then 117 by 200. What is the probability of coming tail? 83 by 200. Let us come to the question. Okay. Come to the exercise 2. Exercise 2. Question number 1. What is there in question number 1? Tell whether the following is certain to happen, may happen, not certain, impossible. Tomorrow will be a rainy day. May happen. The outcome of throw a die is 7. पासा, लूडो का पासा फेंकोगे तो 7 आएगा. लास्ट कितना होता है लूडो में? 6. छक्का, तो 7 कहाँ से आएगा? इम्पॉसिबल. सो दैट यू हैव टू राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज आइडेंटिफाई एज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. The probability of a certain event is 0. Okay, 0 may not come. That is not the probability. It is false. Coming to question number 3. So 1 and 2 we have discussed. Now coming to question number 3. What is question number 3? A coin is tossed 250 times. Okay, 136 times the tail side and 114 times heads appear 136 times and tails 114 times. Coin is tossed. No need to write the question here, just to explain I am writing. Coin is tossed 250 times. Heads appear 136 times. Tails appear 114 times. Now question number 1, what is the probability of getting head? So probability of event, is equal to, what is the formula? I have told now. Number of outcomes by total number of experiments. So our question is, what is the probability of getting head? Means 136 by total is what? 250. Now you have to cancel. If it can be cancelled, you will cancel. 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are. 2 1s are. 2 2s are and 2 5. Now can it be cancelled? 68 by 125. Okay. It can't be cancelled. And question number 2 is, what is the probability of getting 10, which you can do. Coming to the question number 6. So 1 we have understood, 2 understood. Coming to the question number 6. Okay, for a minute. रुक जाइए बाबा, चाहे कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now, coming to question number 6. दो मिनट. A survey of 100 kids reveals 56 like the chocolate brand of X while 44 dislike them. Out of 100 kids, 56 likes chocolate X, 44 dislikes. Out of these kids, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that chosen kid likes and dislike chocolate? So, probability of likes chocolate. Probability to like chocolate. Our question is equal to how many are liking 56. So it will be 56 and total is 100. So 56 by 100. You will write the formula, then you will solve it. 2 2s are and 2 8s. Okay, next 50. Again it can be cancelled. 14 and 25. So probability of liking chocolate is 14 by 25. This way you can find the probability of disliking the chocolate. So dear children, this was the concept related to probability. Now it is your responsibility to solve all the question, the examples, and if problem is there, then text me. I am ready to help you. Thank you very much.